How to enable voice chat in Roblox. So in order to enable voice chat in Roblox, simply open up your application, and once your Roblox application opens up, you will see an interface like this, which is currently on your screen. Now in order to enable voice chat, simply click onto this more option and scroll down. You will find settings, click on settings, and then under settings you need to click onto this account info. Then under the account info you can see a different number of things, so you can try adding your phone number and email address as well and verify them. And the main thing that you need in order to enable the voice chat feature is simply verify your age. So you need to be at least 13 years of age or 13 plus in order to get the voice chat feature in Roblox. So you can simply click onto this verify my age option, and then from here you will need to first verify your email or your phone number and then upload a document which guarantees that you are well above 13 years of age. And once you will do that, you will be easily able to access the voice chat feature in Roblox. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.